Hey everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. In this video, we will be learning how to update PUBG mobile application on your smartphone whether you are using iOS or Android. So let's get started. First of all, to update PUBG mobile on your device, open up your Google Play Store for Android or open up your App Store for iOS. Also make sure that the device that you are using is connected to a stable internet. Now, tap on the search icon at the bottom right and in the search box at the top type in PUBG Mobile. Once you find this app, look if there is an update button available. If there is, tap on the update button and then you will be able to update PUBG Mobile application on your smartphone. Keeping your game updated ensures access to the latest features, improvements, and security patches. So that's how you easily do it. If you found the tutorial helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more of these tutorials. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.